Welcome to the SAT preparation classes by the Slate Academy. In these classes, we will share with you the tricks and techniques that will help you score the highest possible score on the SAT as per your potential. So let's jump right into it. For a student preparing for SAT, the very first thing that they must be aware of is the test structure. As you already might have an idea that your whole test, it would be for 1600 marks and you would be allowed a time of 3 hours or 180 minutes for the complete test. The test can be categorized into two main categories, which are evidence-based reading and writing and mathematics. And each of these two categories would have 800 marks available for them. For the evidence-based reading and writing, you'll have 100 minutes, and in those 100 minutes, you'll have to answer 96 questions. Whereas for the math portion, you'll have a total time of 80 minutes, and in those 80 minutes, you'll have to answer 58 questions. We can further divide this into multiple categories. So for evidence-based reading and writing, you'll have two portions, one for reading and one for writing. For the reading section, you'll be allowed a time of 65 minutes in which you'll have to answer 52 questions. Whereas for the writing portion, you'll be allowed a time of 35 minutes in which you'll have to answer 44 questions. As for the math portion, it can also be divided into two categories. There would be a non-calculator portion and there would be a calculator portion. For the non-calculator portion, you'll have to answer 20 questions in 25 minutes. So you'll have 25 minutes in which you'll have to answer 20 questions. Whereas for the calculator portion, you'll have 38 questions for which you'd be allowed 55 minutes. So in 55 minutes, you are to answer 38 questions. So this is the overall test structure for SAT. In the upcoming videos, we'll look at the general techniques for the whole test as well as specific techniques for each of these categories. We'll also have a look at what does this time allocation mean and how can we utilize it to our advantage. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Your support means a lot. Thank you very much.